Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about homeopathic eye drops. So basically in this video we will discuss about what are the top 3 homeopathic eye drops for any kind of problems related to your eyes. So as you can see here on the screen, this is a list of top 3 homeopathic eye drops. So one by one we'll discuss these eye drops, homeopathic eye drops in this video. So let's start. So first of all we'll talk about the first homeopathic eye drop, that is Willmar Schwabe Germany Cineria Maritima eye drops. So this is our first homeopathic eye drop. So we will talk about this. So let's talk about it. This eye drop is mainly indicated for blur vision, which is common in elderly people who are over the age, that is 50 years. There is no specific cause identified, but the following are the considered as risk factors. That is advancing age with improper care of the eyes. Secondly, eye injuries. Thirdly, improper nutrition. Fourth, cigarette smoking. And last is exposure, that is excessive exposure to the sunlight. So these are the conditions where you can successfully use this homeopathic eye drop, that is Cineria Maritima. Now sign and symptoms. So in the very early stages of cataract, no significant symptoms may appear. As time passes, some of the following symptoms may appear, that is hazy vision, glaring of sunlight, sharp edges are difficult to make out, streaks or rays of light as if comes from light sources, circular rings surrounding the light, rainbow-like semicircle, and difficulty reading in the dim light. So for all these signs and symptoms, you can successfully use Cineria Maritima by Dr. Willmar Schwabe. Now let's talk about the very important thing, that is what is the composition now. So let's talk about the composition of first medicine which is used for making Cineria Maritima eye drop is Cineria Maritima succus, that is 5 gram. So now what is the function of Cineria Maritima succus? So this medicine helps to strengthen resistance and clear away the infection from the eyes, and it is used in removing clouding of the lens and also in the treatment of the conjunctivitis, that is inflammation of the conjunctiva, or simply you can say pink eyes. Second ingredient which is used for making Cineria Maritima eye drop is Chloratum excipiens 0.001 gram, and third ingredient is water, and last one is alcohol 9.3% weight by weight. So these are the main ingredients which are used for making Cineria Maritima eye drop. Now next, very important, that is doses. Now how to take this eye drop. So let's talk about it. So let's talk about the direction for use of Cineria Maritima eye drop. So unless otherwise prescribed, instill 2 drops 3 times daily, morning, afternoon or night, into the affected eye part, and slightly massage of the eye wall shall distribute the medicine evenly, and use the solution within 1 month after opening the vial. So this is how you can use this homeopathic eye drop, that is Dr. Willmar Schwabe Cineria Maritima eye drop. So this was all about the first homeopathic eye drop. Now next we'll talk about the second homeopathic eye drop, that is Hapdco Cineramycin eye drops. Let's talk about this medicine. So what are the indications, that is what are the signs and symptoms, what are the condition, what are the diseases where you can successfully use Cineramycin? So these indications are, firstly, in the case of and the stinging pain in the eye, diminishes of the vision. Secondly, for improvement in the eyesight. Thirdly, it is indicated for the blur vision and chronic conjunctivitis. and corneal opacities due to high blood sugar level, that is hyperglycemia, diabetes mellitus type 2, old age or conjunctival irritations, overstrained eyes due to excessive computers or mobile use or TV, and inflammatory eye diseases. And next indication is cloudy or the blurred vision, sensitivity to the light, that is photophobia and glare, color vision changes, and dimming, poor night vision. So these are the conditions where you can successfully use Hapdco Cineramycin eye drop. Now let's talk about the action of the ingredients used in Hapdco Cineramycin eye drop, or simply you can say what is the composition. So first medicine which is used for making Cineramycin is Cineria Maritima succus again. So it has same function as I have already said, that is it helps to strengthen resistance and clear away the infection from the eyes. It is used in removing clouding of the lens and also in the treatment of conjunctivitis. Now second medicine which is used for Hapdco Cineramycin is Euphrasia. This is one of the excellent medicine for any kind of trouble in your eyes. So let's talk about it. So in case of acrid lacrimation, bland coryza, discharge, thick and excoriating the surfaces, burning and swelling of the lids, blink. So this is the second medicine which is used for making Cineramycin eye drops. Now let's talk about the third medicine, that is Argentum nitricum. So this medicine is indicated in the cases where there are spots before the vision, or you can say musk volitants or eye flutters, blurred vision, to keep eyes fixed steadily, eye strains from swing, worse in warm room, aching, tired feeling in the eyes, water closing or pressing upon them. So these are the three main medicines which are used for making Hapdco's Cineramycin eye drops. Now very important, how to use this eye drop, or what are the direction for use. Let's talk about it. Doses. So always you have to take 2 drops into the lower conjunctival sac 3 to 4 times a day, or as prescribed to you by your physician. So this was all about the second eye drop, that is Hapdco Cineramycin eye drop. Now let's talk about the third eye drop, that is PL Cineria Maritima Euphrasia eye drops. So let's talk about it. So Cineria Maritima Euphrasia eye drop is a product of research and development of SPL, and it is a combination of well-balanced formula of homeopathic therapeutics for the treatment of conjunctivitis and other. Conjunctiva is a mucous membrane covering the anterior sclera, that is bulbar conjunctiva, and is reflected in the furnaces to cover the tarsal surface of the lids, that is tarsal conjunctiva. The several type of conjunctivitis is known as trachoma, which can cause blindness. So conjunctivitis therefore needs quick diagnosis and treatment. So Dr. J.H. Clark mentioned successful use of the Cineria Maritima in cases of blur vision as an external application. Now what are the indications where you can successfully use Cineria Maritima Euphrasia eye drop? So in case of conjunctivitis, in case of inflammatory condition of the eyes, spring catarrh, irritation due to foreign bodies, vehicle smoke, environmental pollution, eye strain due to computer or the TV watching, corneal opacities, tendency to crystalline lenses. So these are the conditions, these are the indications where you can successfully use Cineria Maritima Euphrasia eye drop. Now let's talk about the composition, that what are the main key ingredients which are used for making Cineria Maritima Euphrasia eye drop. So first medicine, as I have already told you, that is Cineria Maritima. So as I have already said, it helps to strengthen resistance and clear away the infection from your eyes. It is used in removing clouding of the lens and also in the treatment of the conjunctivitis. And second medicine is Euphrasia officinalis, which is helpful in acrid lacrimation, bland coryza, discharge, thick and excoriating, burning and the swelling of the lids, frequent inclination to blink. Now third medicine is Calendula officinalis. So injury to the eyes, which tend to suppuration after operations. And the fourth medicine is Kali Mur. So in case of white mucus, purulent scabs, superficial ulcers and corneal opacities, this medicine is successfully used. Next, Calcarea floor. Calcarea floor is used for flickering and the sparks before the eyes. Spot on the cornea, that is musc volitantis, or you can say eye floaters, and conjunctivitis. Next medicine which is used for making this eye drop is MagCarv, that is Magnesia carbonica. It is used for constant pain in the eyes with a watery condition. And next medicine is Silicea. Silicea is used for aversion to light, especially daylight. Silicea is used aversion to light, especially daylight. It produces dazzling, sharp pain through the eyes. Eyes are tender to touch and worse when closed. Vision confused. Letters run together on reading and styes. Next medicine is Boric Acid. Boric acid is used as an antiseptic disinfectant since it arrests fermentation and putrefaction. And next ingredient is sodium methyl hydroxybenzoate BP. And last ingredient is isotonic solution of sodium chloride, that is NaCl. So these are the main ingredients which are used for making Cineria Maritima Euphrasia eye drop. Now next, very important, doses, the direction for use, how to take it. So listen carefully. Always you have to instill 1 or 2 drops in your eyes, and you have to take it 3 to 4 times a day. So this is how you can use it. This was all about the last medicine, that is Cineria Maritima Euphrasia eye drop. So that's all in this video. We have discussed about what are the top 3 homeopathic eye drops that you can use for any kind of condition related to your eyes, any disturbance in your eyes, or any disease you are suffering relating to eyes. So these medicine has marked action on any kind of trouble you are facing in your eyes. That's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe and stay healthy. And yes, thanks for watching.